All right, so I have a little fall tutorial look, short, sweet, simple. I'm using a Tarte concealer on my eyelids because I previously had a red eyeshadow that would not come off, so I just need something thick to cover it. But I usually use eyelid primer. All right, and then I'm going to be using Conspiracy palette and the Mini Controversy palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And I'm just going to take this fluffy crease brush and I'm just going to blend all over the crease and above it, just a little above it, with the shade Cheese Dust. And then after you get it to the intensity you want, you're just going to blend it just a little bit because we are going to be going back and forth with blending. And with the Mini Controversy packet, I'm using a packer brush and went into the shade Controversy. Excuse me. And with a buffer brush, I'm just going to buff it in there. It's going to look messy at first, but towards the end, it looks really, really nice. And then I'm just blending the colors together to make sure it's not harsh looking and just blend those lines together. And then I go in with that same brush I used for Cheese Dust and just adding a little bit more of that shade to the look. And again, with the packer brush, I'm adding more onto the eyelid. Sorry, excuse me. Just making sure everything is purple right there. And then in Mini Controversy, on the eyelid, on top of Controversy, I'm going to use My Apology. And for the under eye, I'm just going in with Controversy with a little packer brush. I'm just going ahead and tapping motions, and then I kind of just smear it just a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with a buffing brush and buff that bitch out. And yeah, we'll see the finished look after this. BRB. All right, and here is almost the look. On the lip, I'm going to use Leo on the lip. Yeah, I forgot I had this lipstick and I kind of like it. All right, and then for the inner corner and brow bone, I used the shade Ranch in the Conspiracy palette. Hope you guys liked this tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.